In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Amjad, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Amjad Analyst. Dear viewers, in this video, we will show you the taste of barbecue tonight Bahawalpur. We will try different kind of dishes and their taste at Aftar Buffet at barbecue tonight Bahawalpur. This is the outer view of barbecue tonight Bahawalpur. At the end, we will show you, we will tell you, we will rate the taste of every dish which is present here at Barbecue Tonight Bahawalpur. This is outer sitting area of this hotel. The speciality of this point is that there is calmness, there is no noise at all. We started our iftar from this as you seeing in this video. There view, this is the first item of the menu of Tar Buffet, spring roll, and the other is Shami kebab, which are looking so delicious. And the next item is the hot spicy wings. The next is potato cutlet. Next is pakode.